Guys, this is Kay from traderscolony.com. I'm ending my day here a little bit earlier than usual. It's about 11:50, something like that. I don't know. Want to enjoy the day. Today is my son's 4th birthday, so I want to go out and enjoy the time with him and that kind of stuff, right? Today I took a trade on ACHN. Pretty good trade out of the technical levels that I picked up last Sunday night. I posted everything on Twitter, so you can find it there. Traders Colony handle. I want to show you what happened today. Also, JD was moving today, got to the levels that we picked up yesterday for technical levels on the daily. But let me show you back here. Let me show you my screen. Try to see if you can understand exactly what my thoughts were when I was trying to take the trade on ACHN. I took a little bit of a gamble though, but I got away with it. So let me show you what happened, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, so we're gonna go into a very small recap. I'm gonna try to do this video in a very short fashion here today. A little bit slow overall. One good trade on ACHN, and I will be showing you that trade in a second. Also wanted to show you JD. This is a stock that I traded yesterday. Some follow up today with a pennant right here on the breakout of that formation around here. If you notice right here, this has the areas of support and resistance that I had. The small pen on the 5 pop over 30.24 was resistance right here. If you look at the 15-minute time frame around here, the higher couple of candles around here, right? And also the following area of resistance that we were looking for yesterday, if you remember, was 30.60, and we got there just a couple of minutes ago. So right now, if you look at right here in this nice push, it went all the way to 30.60. Let me try to bring it over so you can see it right there. So anyway, just wanted to show you how this stock has been moving, and also my trade on ACHN. This is a stock that I picked up the other day, actually Sunday night, when I posted everything on Twitter, and I took a trade on this one today. Guys, one of the reasons why I'm actually getting this thing a little bit short today is because it's my son's 4th birthday today. I'm looking forward to spending a little bit of time with him today, celebrating and trying to do a couple of things that he might like and he might enjoy. I already booked a little vacation for the next few days, although it's not going to be for now during the week. It's going to be over the weekend and stuff. So thank you for being here. I want to thank you ahead of time. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Right now is what I'm trying to show you here. Trade on ACHN. If you look at right here, we have this nice pennant formation on the daily. I was looking for the breakout of the pennant right here when it was happening. I was live streaming and I was telling you guys I was looking for a push out of that formation right here, breaking out of this formation. I was looking also, I was actually posting this stuff on Twitter. Just in case you haven't followed me on Twitter, you could do so too. It's Traders Colony handle, and I was looking for a push right here on this candle is that we got to the 5-minute high intraday. If you look at right here, and I'm gonna put it on the 2-minute time frame here so you guys can see a little clearer what happened. I took a trade coming out of the pennant formation on the breakout around here, this area, and I was letting it run to the low of this candle right here. I didn't want to give it some room, a lot of room. It has a low of $4.78, and I was looking for a push over to the $5 area. The volume was really slow. It was low volume. It had only about 210,000 shares traded on the day when I did that, and I was basically taking a little bit of a chance with, you know, in regards to looking and to the overall market, and trying to factor in here that the market, it's actually at some point under 600 point intraday today. So this is not a good thing. It's actually a not a good thing for a lot of people that might be looking for long trades. But overall, I think it's actually not too bad for me, because the market plunging now, I think it will be a lot better to happen now than in September. So for me, August, it's a little bit slow. September is a lot better timing, back to school and winter when rolls in. Market gets a lot busier than in summertime. You know that the market actually gets a little bit of momentum coming out of summer. So bouncing from those levels of those plunges, the plunge that is happening nowadays, it is flushing the last couple of days. It bounced yesterday about 340 points to the president saying that he was going to push the tariffs all the way to December instead of taking action on September. The market actually bounced yesterday about 340 points. For the prior days to that, we've been having the market plunging, and today at some point under 600 points. So anyway, if you look at right here, we got a flag formation as well. I had to let it run though, because it was running pretty slow, to be honest. Okay, so here's two things. You have this nice flag over here. You can also take this out and say, okay, we have a pennant as well. Okay, so a couple of things that you can see happening here. All right, so you notice that nice flag here, the 2-minute time frame pushed up and went all the way to a high $5 mark. Hold our resistance. I was telling you guys, I posted on Twitter that I was looking for at least 3/4 out on the push towards the $5, and that's actually what happened. If you look at the high of this candle right here on the daily, we have a high there of $5.03. So I thought we was gonna have a little bit of resistance around the $5 hold resistance holdout area there, and this is the reason why I was looking to get paid over that area towards the $5 push. So I'm gonna just end the video here. Want to thank you guys for listening to me. Ended the day a little bit earlier than I expected, but anyway, one green trade. JD moving higher today, but just whipsawing overall. I didn't want to trade, and I didn't feel too confident. So overall, a good day for me. One trade. Took a little bit of a chance here because it could have just flush and roll over on the opposite side of my trade, because it was not a trade that was probably recommended due to the lack of momentum and lack of volume, right? So I took I would say it wouldn't be a good thing. I got away with it, but I kind of took a gamble there, looking for a breakout of technical levels right there on the daily shot on ACHN, and I got away with it. So thank you guys anyway for listening to me. Happy trading. I will see you back here tomorrow. Thanks.